I wanted to do a super casual video today because Cricut sent me this amazing box of goodies. They wanted me to do on my other channel, they wanted me to make a video with kids activities. So they sent me some goodies to try out and I wanted to show you what they sent, but also I spent some of my own money and bought some things. So I have a haul to show you of what I bought. But let me start off first by showing you what they sent for the projects. Okay, so here's what they sent me. I'm gonna go through everything for what they sent for the projects. The first thing was the Cricut Explore Air 2, and this one is, I think, the mint green. Is that the right color for this? It's super pretty. I personally haven't used this machine yet, so I'm kind of curious to see the differences and how it works. I think it's a great value because I've actually seen it on sale for a much lower price than the higher model, and they're both great machines, but if you have one or the other, you need to tell me which one you have. But I'm gonna explore with that one. Get it? Explore Air, Explore Air 2, and see how it works. So excited about this one. And then they also sent me a Cricut Easy Press in the same color. It's so pretty. So this is the 9x9 model, and this is what you would need to do any heat transfer vinyl. So excited to have that one. Along with that, they also sent the matching Easy Press mat. So this is 12x12. So this is what will protect your table or your surface and will help you to do any kinds of iron on. Now I am like loving doing iron on. I did a whole bunch of pillows for Christmas. I did some tea towels. I've done t-shirts, you name it. Love the iron on stuff. So definitely going to be using the Easy Press and the pad. All right, now let me show you the vinyl. I got a couple of different types. This one is just the regular premium vinyl. So this will not go on clothing or shirts or fabric, and it's permanent. This one is called Summer Pearl, and it's a sampler pack, but look how pretty those colors are. They're kind of pearlescent. I'm not even sure if the camera is picking that up well enough, but this is super pretty. I like that blue. And then we have some iron-on vinyl, and this one is Coastal Sampler and Matte. So this is the Strong Bond Everyday Iron-On vinyl. And there's 3 sheets in here, and here's the color. So we got pretty blue and a peachy pink and a lighter blue. And I really like it, the sampler packs myself, because I can try some different colors and get a variety. So this one is the Tea Party sampler. And then we got some pinks, red, and a white. I'm always using the white all the time. Everyday Iron-On. And then check this one out. This is the Strong Bond Holographic Iron-On. Oh my goodness. This is pretty. Love this one. And this is, what's it called? Miami Sampler. That's really, really pretty. I hope the camera is doing that justice. I usually get the sampler packs when I'm at the store because I like the variety. So I'll get a couple of different colors in one pack, and it tends to last me a little bit longer, I think. But then the colors that I know I use a lot of, I will always get like the single roll, and they sent me a single roll too. So here is a single roll for the premium vinyl, and this one is just black. So because you can never use enough black. So if you're going to use a color a lot, definitely get the single roll. But if you want to try out some new colors, then get the sampler packs. So that's all of the vinyl they gave me. So I have premium vinyl, and then I have these 3 rolls of iron-on, 2 in the everyday, and then 1 holographic iron-on. But look over here, glitter. You can never have enough glitter. So I've got 2 rolls of these single rolls, so a silver and gold, but then I also have a sampler pack, the premium vinyl, and then this one is the Precious Metals sampler. So wow. And this is kind of looks, it's not even as glittery. It's more like a textured, look at that. It has a nice texture on it. I don't even know if the camera is even picking up how cool that is. And then the other ones are your plain glitter and silver, and I go through this like crazy, especially for holidays and for things that I make my kids. So we got that. Then they sent a roll of the transfer paper. So this is a standard grip, and you'll use this if you're transferring any vinyl that is regular vinyl, not the iron-on. You'll use that to transfer, so that's good to have. And then you guys, they sent me, and I haven't used this yet, the Cricut Infusible Ink. I haven't used it. I'm very curious. I want to try it. So here's the colors, I guess, is what's inside of here. So this is all new to me. And along with this, for the infusible ink, they also sent this package of ceramic coaster blanks. And there's a couple in there, so we can try it on this. And then I got a square one. There's 2 in here. So this is the coaster blanks in square. Very exciting. And then of course, they sent me some Cricut infusible ink pens. And those are the colors that come in this set. Does it have a name? It says, no, there's no name on here. So, but those are the colors that are in that one. Sorry about the glare. Okay, moving on to some more things. This tool set is amazing. Look at it. It has everything you need. So it's called the Essential Tool Set. There's a cutter in here all the way around. You can barely see it. I need to open this, but there's a paper trimmer in there. And then we have a pair of scissors. And then this is great to use to scrape off things off your mat. And then these tools you'll use to weed. So very, very, very important. So it's like the ultimate tool set. If you are new to Cricut, you need this because then you can go ahead and just have everything in one. And you know what? I'm going to put links to these things down below my description box if you want to get the whole toolkit, or if there was a particular vinyl or infusible ink that you want, there'll be links down in my description box. Let's get onto some fun paper. This is the deluxe paper. This looks like it's called Belle Citron. And look at the pretty patterns. So it will tell you on the packages what's inside, but then it's always nice to kind of take a peek over here. Let me see if I can show you some of the pretty papers, and they're double-sided. So if you're making cards or if you're doing projects that you don't want it to be blank on the other side, then they already are done for you to have double-sided. These are really pretty. And I have made cards before. Right when we started shutdown and stuff, I was like making cards like crazy. So these are fun. And then this is true brushed paper, and this is Cool Water is the color. And then we have these colors in here. But look at the texture on this. I mean, that is, can you even see how cool that is? I can't even explain. And it looks like it's brushed metal. Oh, that one's pretty. It looks like it's brushed metal. And there's several different colors. This is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. And these are both 12 by 12, obviously. And then we have the Cricut mat. So we have a variety pack in here. Looks like we have 12 by 12 mats inside. Is there more than one? Oh yeah, there's 3. Okay, so we get the 3 different types of mats. There's the light grip, there's the standard grip, and then the strong grip. And depending on what your material is will depend on which mat you're going to use. And these go directly into the machine to cut. So that is what Cricut sent me, which is a full bundle, as you can see, of goodies, and I can't wait to do projects. So that video with projects from those materials are going to be on my main channel, the Purple Alphabet channel. So if you don't follow me there, but you probably do because that's how you found out about this channel, but if you don't, I'll put a link to that channel down below so you can go check out what I made. We're going to be doing kids activities for the holidays, so it's going to be a lot of fun. All right, so I told you that I bought some things, so let me show you what I bought, which I'm really excited about too because there's some other goodies in there that I bought on sale. Love Cricut at this time of year because everything is always on sale. In my haul, we have this, which is the machine tool organizer. So it holds all of the Cricut tools, the cutting blades, right inside the same container. So this was on sale when I got it, and I thought it'd be a great way to store the extra blades that I have because I do have a couple ones that I have to try out. Then we have some party foil. Also, actually everything on here was on sale. So this is a variety of pack of different party foils. Can you see all the different ones? And so it's not like the vinyl, it's actually foil. And this one is the basic sampler. I have the new foil transfer kit. So this one is a new blade that's supposed to work on the foil. I'm very, very excited to try this one out and see how it works. Then we have the foil transfer sheets. So inside here we have the 3 different colors of the foil transfer, and there's 24 sheets in here. Got some iron-on, some basic colors. This one is called the Natural Sampler, and it just has the natural tones in there. And this one is iron-on. Another iron-on, this one with some basic colors too. This is called Imperial, and we got red, gray, and black. And then a foil iron-on. This one is called Very Merry Sampler, and we've got the Christmas colors in there. So there's red, green, silver, and gold. Aluminum sheets. I thought this would be fun to try out. So there's these little metal aluminum sheets to engrave on. And this is also compatible with infusible ink. And then some Cricut brand chipboard. So this is what you can use to make like puzzles and things like that. So there's 5 sheets in here, and it's just the brownish chipboard inside. In fact, they're like individually wrapped in there. Mystery envelope. I'll open that in just a second when I have it in the other hand. Then we have the Cricut craft board. So this is in black, and so it's like craft paper, just a little thicker. So it's a little sturdier, and you can make boxes and things like that. And then the carousel felt sampler. So this is the 12 by 12 felt sheets, which I want to use for some kids activities, like all the rainbow colors. In this envelope, I have the single sheets of everyday iron-on. So this is a sampler pack, but it's just single sheets that are flat. So I think there was a variety of colors in here, like all the rainbow colors. I don't know if you can see, there's yellow, pink, and blue, but it's just flat 12 by 12 sheets. So this is the everyday iron-on, just not in the roll form, it's flat. So there you have it, there's my haul. I hope you enjoyed this really informal, easy video. Go watch the video where I put together some really cool kids activities on my main channel, The Purple Alphabet, and then let me know what you want to see made over here on this channel. I'm really ready to get going with all of my materials. Click subscribe, you guys, and see you in the next video.